Are you ready to level up your Dress to Impress game? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you a game-changing shoe hack that will instantly take your outfit from basic to fab. So this is the shoe that I created with this hack. This one in here. And I'm going to show you how you can get this shoe. So for this hack, you need to put on 3 shoes. This one, and this one with the ribbon on it. So first, let's just use this wedges in here, put on, and I'm going to just make it white. You can choose the color that you like. And the second one, put on the shoe and change it or toggle it into higher. And don't forget to change the color to be the same with the previous shoe. And the last one, put on this one in here. Sorry, not the red one. The black one here. Then just toggle it into no ribbon and change the color to white. And that's it. So this is the final look for the shoe. So if you want to stand out in your next DTI round, don't skip this one. And that's all for me. Don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and comment your favorite shoes combo. Also, don't forget to click on the thanks. Bye!